Okay, for this one it says, in a section of a baseball field or baseball stadium, there are 11 seats in the first row. There are 15 seats in the second row, 19 in the third, 23 in the fourth. So this stadium kind of goes like this, and you have more seats for each corresponding row. So let's write the sequence out. And then we'll look to see if there's a pattern. But basically what they're asking us to do is to figure out the recursive function. So that way I could say, well, how many seats are in the 10th row? All right. So the sequence itself is 11, 15, 19, and 23. So I would write that as the first term is equal to 11. The second term, f of 2, is 15. F of 3 is 19. F of 4 is 23. And then dot, dot, dot. This is what they want us to figure out. What is f of n? So remember that for recursive, we start with the first term, right? And that's 11. Then for our formula, we're going to do something with the previous function, or the previous term, which will be represented by f of n minus 1. Okay? Now here, we're either going to multiply by a common ratio or we're going to add a common difference. So what I've noticed is that to get 11 to equal 15, I have to add 4. 15 plus 4 equals 19. 19 plus 4 equals 23. So we have what's known as a common difference. So then my recursive function is just this. I don't like that plus sign. It's just f of n minus 1 plus 4. That's it. That's all we got to do. Now, if I didn't add, let's say I multiplied by a number, then I would say times whatever that number is, which will be the common ratio. But in this case, we just added. And that's it. That's our answer.